Could this be the future of farming? Using robots to bring in the harvest just as they are this week at Harper Adams University in Shropshire. They've been working for the past 5 years on a project to develop self-driving farm vehicles, including tractors and combines, with a view to eventually bringing that technology to market. Here's our Rural Affairs correspondent, David Gregory Kumar.
In a field near Newport in Shropshire, the robots are gathering the harvest in. This project began back in 2016 with a single field. They called it the Hands-Free Hectare.
Well, we're now on Hands-Free Farm, and that's 35 hectares of land over 5 fields. We have a wider number of partners involved in the project, and we're developing essentially pre-production, sort of commercial ready, as it were, systems that could be used on farms anywhere in the country.
Now, we might call these robots, but the team prefer autonomous vehicles. They're driving themselves and they're talking to each other.
We're really trying to get a really good understanding of how autonomous systems work in the real world. We've developed things here that show actual machines working in real fields, and I think that's a real step in the direction of actually building the trust of farmers.
They're going to be producing about 150 tonnes of wheat and barley, and it basically just goes straight into animal feed. So it's possible you've eaten a steak from a cow that was fed cereal produced by a robot. Robots ploughing, planting and spraying will be coming to a field near you pretty soon, but robot harvesting may take a bit longer.
I think on arable farms the combining operation will be the last thing that happens, just because of the complexities of multiple vehicles working together, and also the logistics around the amount of material there is to move off a field. You know, if you're farming 10, 12 tonne a hectare crops, that volume quickly gets a lot to transport away onto the road networks and to other parts of the farm.
This experiment isn't just bringing us technology, it's also being used to help work out everything from the insurance robots need to the health and safety rules and regulations.
You know, essentially we have more experience autonomous farming than anyone else, certainly in this country, potentially around the world, and we're using that to feed in to help prepare the industry for these systems.
What happens here will shape the future for farm robots in this country and beyond. David Gregory.